Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the extension type and how they're attached so you don't yank anything. Once confirmed, clip away loose hair and create tidy 5-inch sections using the rat tail comb. This keeps tension even. Use a bright light and hold a small section. Backcomb the extension base gently to remove slack, then insert the crochet hook at the root angle and pull stray hairs through to tighten. Do this methodically row by row, so each attachment is secure and aligned. Next, you tighten and sculpt the locks. With the crochet hook, make 3-5 small passes around each root, pulling stray fibers into the core. This consolidates the extension and natural hair. Once tightened, apply a tiny amount of light locking balm or water-based product and palm roll the lock firmly between your palms for 10-20 seconds to set the pattern. Make sure you keep tension even so the scalp isn't stressed. If you feel pulling, stop, loosen, and reassess the section before continuing. To finish, go through all locks and trim stray fibers to create a clean silhouette that blends with your natural length. Once done, set expectations. Sleep on a silk scarf and book touch-ups every 6-8 weeks to prevent excessive matting. If a lock mats or feels too tight, don't force it. Use the crochet hook to gently loosen the core. Apply a tiny bit of water-based conditioner, separate fibers by hand, then redo the tightening and palm roll. This resolves most common issues without removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.